Hello everyone, I'm Mayor Garcetti, and it's my pleasure to help welcome you to the first ever ReBuild event at SoFi Stadium. I want to thank ReMo Homes for putting this incredible event together with Modular, organizations that are paving the way for affordable and innovative solutions to our housing crisis. At the beginning of this administration, our goal was to produce and preserve 15,000 units of affordable housing. As of the past quarter, we've blown past that goal, producing and preserving over 21,000 units of affordable housing and preventing tens of thousands of people from becoming homeless or falling back into homelessness. With initiatives such as HHH, the city has increased its annual production of supportive housing units by 600%, from just 300 units a year to over 2,000. And by the end of this year alone, we will have completed 47 projects with over 2,800 units. HHH funds have allowed the City of Los Angeles to invest in the streamlined construction of permanent, supportive housing, a proven solution to the affordable housing and homelessness crisis. I know it's tough on our streets, but help is underway, and innovation has been key to our coming success in LA. It's why we dedicated $120 million of HHH funds specifically to seed projects that are advancing new ways to get homes built faster using methods like modular construction. And in 2020, to help the process go even faster, we brought our city departments together and we streamlined the process of modular projects, creating clear expectations on timelines and plan check responsibilities. So we're pushing ahead, bringing all of the creativity, all of the determination in our City of Angels to bear in solving this crisis. But we know we can't do this work alone. And that's why we look forward to partnering with organizations like yours. So thank you. I hope you enjoyed today's event, and let's house LA.